Hello, my friends. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're happy and healthy. And today I'm going to cook cauliflower soup that you have requested. So first thing to do is to cut the leaves of cauliflower. These are the thick old leaves that I'm taking off. There are some fresh young ones that I'm taking off right now. I'm going to keep those to add them to vegetable soup later on. So we first cut the cauliflower into small pieces. I will try to jump ahead a few times so that you don't get bored watching the whole thing. So if you stick with me up to the end of the video, you will see that this is a very easy soup to make, and you're gonna love it because all the friends that have tasted it told me that it was very delicious. And it's very easy, as you can see. I'm now cutting the cauliflowers to smaller pieces. This is just to make sure that when we are cooking it, they all get cooked at the same time and at the same level. Okay, so the cauliflower is cut. We are going to put it aside and put a pot on the stove and put water on it and add 1 teaspoon of salt. And when it starts boiling, we are going to add the cauliflower. We don't want to cook it too much to make it mushy and soggy, but just enough, almost half cooked, because we're going to cook it afterwards as well. So we just put it in the boiling water and keep it there. Now I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients that we need. We've done with the cauliflower, so we need 1 large onion, some garlic, and some carrot, some fresh parsley, some white mushrooms, and they're all chopped into small pieces. We also need some all-purpose white flour and black pepper, salt, cream, and butter. Now first we are going to prepare some white sauce. Instead of dropping a white flour into the whole mix, we are going to make the white sauce first and then add it. That makes it much more delicious, believe me. So now when the butter is melted, we are going to add 1 cup of all-purpose white flour, but we add it gradually, little by little, and keep stirring it so that the lumps don't form and get dissolved in the butter. So we keep pushing the lumps down so that they get dissolved, and add some more. Do the same. When it's all melted, we add some more until we have done all the flour. Now that all the flour has been added to the butter, we are going to start adding milk. And we do the same thing. We add some milk and stir it so that it gets mixed, and we don't want to see any lumps. And as it all mixes, we are going to add some more milk and carry on stirring it until we are satisfied with our white sauce. As you can see, I'm pushing it down and stirring it, and so that we get a smooth sauce. You probably seen my video for cauliflower and white sauce previously. Now we put a wok on the stove and add some butter to it. When the butter is almost melted and the wok is hot enough, we are going to add the garlic. This is about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic that I've finely chopped. So we add it to the butter and wait for the garlic to start bubbling. And at the same time we will smell the aroma of the garlic. Now the garlic is ready. You can see the bubbles. We are going to add the onions. Mix the onion with the garlic and wait for the onion to get a bit softer. When onion is softer and start changing color, we are going to add the carrot. And mix everything. Wait for a few minutes for the carrot to also get soft. Then we will add the mushrooms. Now the cauliflower, we drained the water that it was cooked in, and now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, then mix it together. And now we add the cauliflower that we have boiled in the boiling water. We mix everything. Now we are going to add the white sauce that we made earlier. At this stage, if you haven't made the white sauce, you can add all-purpose white flour, but I know for sure that this is going to be much more delicious, so you can try both and see for yourself. You can actually make a white sauce and use it on any vegetable as a side dish. Now I'm gonna add some water into where the white sauce was to add it to the mixture. We have to add some water anyway. A word of warning for all those vegetarians who order soup in the restaurants. Almost all the restaurants use chicken broth in their soup, and there are a few who, of course, who wouldn't do that. In order to make sure they haven't put chicken broth in it, ask them, and if they say there is no chicken broth, ask them to put it in writing. Because when you ask them to put it in writing, if they have got chicken broth, they will not put it in writing because they're afraid of getting sued. So just be careful if you're a vegetarian and you don't want to have chicken broth. And I always add water myself, or you can add milk. Now we are going to, because the mixture is now cooled down, we are going to transfer it into a mixer. When we have poured all the mixture in the mixer, we are going to turn it on and get a smooth mixture out of it. Now we turn the mixer off and pour the mixture into the wok again. And we are going to add 1 cup of cream. This is 33% cream. You can use any sort of cream that you like. This is organic 33%. Now I have to add a little bit more because that packet didn't have enough. Just to make it 1 cup altogether. Now we mix this and we are going to put it back on the stove with medium-low heat. Of course, we have to watch if it is thick. We have to add some more water to it that I'm doing right now. It's up to you how thick or thin you want it, so the amount of water you can add. we keep watching it, and also I will taste it to see if the salt in it is enough. If it's not, then we add some more salt. Now I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of mixed aromatic herbs that I've put in the description to let you know what it is made of. You can make it yourself. You can use any mixture of aromatic herbs if you like. Now we put the soup in a bowl and put some fresh cut parsley on top of it, and put barberry bread beside it, or any other bread that you like. And I hope you like the video and make this soup for yourself and see how delicious it is. Have a nice day, everyone.